the hell? Trevally, bro. Same thing, Trevally and snapper.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of nutrition and skeletal research for 17 years, and during the last 8 years I'm working in pharmaceutical industry. In this video I'm going to share my latest fishing trip on my friend Vince, which we went after big fish such as tuna or kingfish. Around this time of the year those fish start to migrate into those water around South Australia, and we try to catch them. Fishing, it has many health benefits, such as it's kind of a sport, especially when you go into the open water. You have a lot of balance and coordination. You aren't close to nature, and especially water is have calming effect for your nervous systems. Also have social aspect and have many other psychological benefit. Therefore, if you are lucky and you can go fishing, should try some, and if you get lucky, maybe you even catch some fish. We're just in second valley. It seems meant to be a beautiful day. Let's see. We want to just use Vince made a lot of interesting set for live bait, and the plan is to catch some live bait, the squid and slimy mackerel, and try our luck with the kingy.
We're gonna try at least.
We're launching Rainer. It's so far, beautiful day. Try catching some live bait. Squid. It's at Rapid Bay. Gorgeous day. Heaps of people, plenty. Like in the Rapid Bay, we just joined the newest spot. Try to catch some live bait and try. So we're going to cast it. Current's going that way, then we're going to cast it this way. We are on. I don't know what we have. Vince is on. Let's see what we have got. There's a trap. Come on, it's not mackerel. How might it is? I think more like Trevally.
Nah, it's small. I'll probably go to Trevally. Keep it away from each other.
Okay.
Bring it back here.
Okay.
Oh, I got the boat.
Okay.
Dad,
Okay.
your shit's still down here, bro.
Okay.
Oh, what the hell? Trevally, bro. Same thing, Trevally and snapper. I've caught 2 Trevally. Very good. Oh, it was a fucking mackerel. I think I gotta mackerel. Good size. Oh, ling.
What's that?
Ugly looking fish, but they taste alright. Oh, you can eat it after. It's a catfish. It's a ling. No, it's a cat.
So snapper.
You know what? Beautiful.
Yeah. That's really good one.
Trevally and down if you want. I think it's the same snapper. Yeah, I genuinely. We've got 5 there, no?
Like a snap. Another nice snapper.
Probably.
So many snapper. We can't keep the snappers since Australia.
At the moment.
At the moment.
But when we can, I know where I'm going to be getting.
And off we go. Let's move away and let's take over the photos.
My friend.
Okay.
Oh, Dad.
Joanne, net.
Oh my god. Oh, mate. I don't think you want to lose here. Alright, take a step back.
Oh, well done. Yeah, there we go there.